Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also smash up the like button because this will help us to reach out to more people. So I am your friend Soham, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can actually maximize your profits or gains in crypto. And this is a video series that we are starting today. We will take 2 or 3 coins in each video and we are going to show you how you can maximize your profit by trading between these 2 or 3 tokens itself. Okay, so the first pair that we are going to take today is Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So Bitcoin and Ethereum are the number 1 and number 2 cryptocurrencies in the world, and that is the only reason why we have selected this. If you want us to prepare a video on any other pair of tokens or any 3 tokens that you would like to maximize your gains by only trading these 2 or 3 tokens, then reach out to us. You can reach out to us on our Telegram channel. The link is given in the descriptions below, as well as you can comment below the video and I will pick coins from the comments as well. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are the number 1 and number 2 cryptocurrencies in the world currently. Okay, Bitcoin is trading about $55,000 and Ethereum is trading about the $3,600 or $3,700. It is down from its all-time highs of more than $4,000, and Bitcoin is also down from its highs of $65,000. Okay, but how you can actually maximize your profits, whether you should be buying Ethereum right now or whether you should be buying Bitcoin. Now, mind you, we are in the 4th quarter of the year already. Okay, and if history is any indication, Bitcoin tends to outperform Ethereum in the last quarter. Okay, and this is happening year over year. Okay, if we go back to 2017, we can see that the months of October, November, December, the Ethereum value against Bitcoin was actually red. Similar things, 2018, it was a bear market, so everything was going red. So was Ethereum against Bitcoin in the last quarter. In 2019 as well, Ethereum against Bitcoin actually bleeded in the last quarter. And in 2020, when we were just starting off with the bull run, it actually was red. Okay, October, November, December, Ethereum against Bitcoin was red. You can refer the charts and you will find it out. In 2021, we have started September with red. And so far in October, it is a red candle. Okay, so how you can actually maximize your profits? Now, apart from this particular trend that we have seen, there is one other trend which is clearly visible. Okay, what is that trend? Bitcoin tends to reach its all-time highs first, then move sideways, or it actually comes down. Okay, if we look at 2017, Bitcoin topped out in December. Then slowly it started coming down, and that is the time when altcoins like Ethereum and a few others actually made their all-time highs in January. Okay, that was the case in 2017, 2018. Now, coming to this present market cycle, in the first leg, by the first leg I mean the leg that we had till May of 2021. Then from May till August we had a corrections where Bitcoin went below $30,000 also. So in April of 2021, Bitcoin made its all-time high. That was around the $65,000 mark. Now, one other fact that we can see here is that Ethereum, along with the other altcoins, made their all-time highs in May. Okay, so it was a period of about 1 month wherein Bitcoin actually slowly started coming down or actually moved sideways, and Ethereum and other altcoins actually gained the most during that period. So according to me, how you can maximize your gains in this 4th quarter, mind you, this strategy is exclusively for this 4th quarter only. Okay, because if you look at the complete market cycle, Ethereum has given huge returns. It went to about $85-90 and it currently trading at around $3,000. So it's huge returns. Okay, in compared to Bitcoin, also went to about $3,800 and currently trading at around $55,000. So that is also a great return. But relatively, if you can see, Ethereum has given greater return. But the strategy that we are discussing today is exclusively for the 4th quarter. Now, for the 4th quarter, what I am doing or our premium members are doing is we are putting in money into Bitcoin. Okay, and we are going to ride along with Bitcoin till it reaches its all-time high. Then we are going to sell it off and convert them into Ethereum, ride it, sell near the top. No one can type the market. We hope to sell near the top, then convert them back into either the US dollar or into Bitcoin. That is what we are going to do for the next few months. So if you like the content, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and family, because this is extremely important time. This is the last quarter and things will get hot very quickly, and if you don't act fast, you will actually miss out. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself, and also let me know which are the other altcoins or which are the other pair of coins that you would like to see, whether it is Ethereum and Cardano, whether it is Bitcoin with some other coin, or Ethereum or any other token, okay? And we will analyze it for you and help you build a strategy as to how you can maximize your gains. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.